Freaks, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just cleaning my rugs and I just wanted to show you guys the before of what my rugs look like. They are atrocious. This is the rug in my kitchen by my sink. This is my dining room. I am so sorry for the blurriness. Um, and then this is my foyer, which is an extremely high traffic area. We don't use our front door, but for some reason, my foyer gets so dirty so quickly. So I am just filling up my little container here, and I'm using my Hoover vacuum. You guys have seen me use this before. I absolutely love this vacuum. So instead of me having to replace my rugs every 3 or 4 months or so, and I'm using Pine Sol because I love me some Pine Sol. So instead of me replacing my rugs every 2, 3 months, I got the Hoover carpet cleaner so that I can go ahead and wash my rugs monthly. And I do wash my rugs once a month, and it just does it so well. It makes them look so clean and brand new, and you'll see the end results at the end of this video. Stay to the end of this video, you guys, so that you can see the results, because this vacuum is bomb.com. And this video, I'm sorry, is not sponsored by Hoover, but I just really love this product, and I am going to definitely continue to use it. It is actually linked down in my Amazon store, so I will leave that link for you in the description box where you can go ahead and check it out. If you want to purchase it, you can. It is like, it's the bomb, and I absolutely love this vacuum.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you and me in the cold.
You might be wondering why I'm wearing my PJs. It's because I'm cleaning my rugs, and I am literally doing this at 5:30 in the morning. Everyone was awake, which was crazy. The only people that was sleeping was my nephew and my son, and a hurricane can come through the house and they will still be sleeping. So I just decided to go ahead and do it because this was the only time that I had.
My friend, I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight.
So this is what it looks like afterwards, you guys. It is a big difference. Oh my gosh, that water is just the water from the steam and the vacuum, but it looks incredible, so much cleaner. Even my husband couldn't believe it. He literally was shocked that it came out so clean. So now I am onto my dining room, and you literally can see it cleaning the rug. It's so satisfying just to watch this happening. You can see it cleaning the rug. It turned out so good because my rug in my dining room had like this brown hue over it, and it's supposed to be a gray rug. And you can see it literally taking the dirt out of this rug. I've actually never washed this rug. This is my first time cleaning this rug, and if you are a longtime subscriber, you do know that this rug came with me from my previous home, and I've never ever cleaned it before. So this is my first time actually cleaning it, and it just turned out so nice. You literally can see the gray coming back into this rug. I just love the way that it turned out. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shushana, and I have 2 channels here on YouTube. My main channel that you are watching right now is my Cleaning Queen channel. I do lots of cleaning motivations, decluttering, and organization. On this channel, I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12 noon. My main channel is Regal Designs by Shushana, and I do a lot of DIYs and crafts, home and seasonal decor, and some thrifting videos. By the way, my thrift shops are open now, so y'all gonna see some thrifting videos coming up very soon. I also upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 12 o'clock on this channel, except for your occasional collaboration videos. My, you know, I'm so excited about these two channels, and I am so happy that you guys are supporting and just really enjoy watching my cleaning videos. I love cleaning, so I'm so glad that you guys are motivated. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Absolutely disgusting. Anyway, so if you guys like cleaning motivations and decluttering and all that good stuff and home decor and thrifting, be sure to consider subscribing. Double tap on that bell so that you don't miss any episodes that I upload on any of my channels. They will be linked down in the description box below, along with my Amazon store link. It will be in the description box below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. So for my Christmas coming up this year, I am so excited about it. If you guys are excited about Christmas for 2020, go ahead, leave a comment down below and let me know how excited you are. Also give this video a thumbs up because I am super excited. I cannot wait. This year has been a crazy year with everything that has been going on. And Christmas just always reminds me of happier times and everyone coming together. And it's the time when everyone is like so sweet and so kind to each other and giving and just happy all the time. And I'm so excited about it. And I cannot wait. Let me know what your plans are for this Christmas. I want to know what your theme is going to be for this Christmas. My theme is just going to be traditions. Everything traditional, everything family, coziness and warmth. I just want to revel in that because this year has been just nuts. And I just kind of want to end off the year by the grace of God with just my family and just loving on them and sharing our traditions and sharing the love and giving and all that good stuff. So let me know down below what your theme is going to be for this Christmas and what are some of your awesome traditions. So I just want to remind you guys, don't forget about my Christmas in July Clean With Me's. It's coming up very, very soon on the 20th, and I believe on the 29th. If you guys want to participate, I definitely will have the video available, and the playlist will be linked down in that description box of that particular video, so you guys can go ahead and take part. You can declutter a room, a space, organize, or you could just clean along with me and enjoy the Christmas music. So this is what my rugs are looking like, you guys. The high traffic areas, they are extremely clean, and I just love them so much. I just look at that gray, you guys. It just looks so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you guys were inspired. Go inspire and be unique. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.
Out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the sea.